Good afternoon, guys. I hope all is well. I'm out for a little ride on the Vincent. Just spent a couple of days getting rid of all the oil. It was like the Exxon Valdez Vincent. So finally cleaned it all up. Hopefully managed to seal a few oil leaks and fuel leaks actually. And so this is the inaugural run, I think, this year. So it's an absolutely beautiful day. I thought I'd take it for my usual test ride and I thought I'd invite you along. I don't think there was a part of the bike that didn't have a thin smear or layer of oil all over it, which made it very nice for cleaning. I mean, it all came up really well. No rust, but absolutely covered. I went through maybe half a dozen towels to clean it. I think I'll just go up to Bald Peak. Isn't it funny how when you leave a bike for a little while, things just start to deteriorate? So of course I turn the fuel taps on and fuel starts pouring out all over from the bottom of the carburetor. So changed all the washers. And I think I've got it, touch wood. They've obviously deteriorated or perished over the winter, even in my garage. I'm sure you all recognise this road. I've been on it 1,000 times in my videos. It's just a really good test ride. It's relatively quiet. It's a Saturday afternoon right now, so it's a bit busy. And we're just heading into Shoals Village. Take a right, go a little further, nice open stretches, and then up the hill. And I was just looking at the mileage. I'm at 4,900 miles, so nearly 5,000 miles since I put the engine together. So that'll be a very interesting milestone. Kind of forget just how fast this bike is for its age and the way that it delivers the power. Yeah, the beauty of cleaning it all now is I'm certain there's still going to be some leaks, but at least the engine and the chassis is clean, so that any new leaks or old leaks I'll be able to see them a little bit more clearly and then deal with them individually. Yeah, so we're going to the top of that hill up there. I think you end up like over there, I guess. This hill is a good clutch test. Yeah, it pulls up here really well. I'm actually accelerating. Gosh, I remember my little poor old Comet. It really struggled getting up this hill. Some beautiful places up here. Whoa, look at that one. Gorgeous place. And another. I don't think that was there last time I came. Beautiful day up here at Bald Peak. It is working. I wasn't sure. I don't even charge this battery. Yeah, that's working. Yeah. Like a candle at the back. Well, here we are at Bald Peak. Beautiful place. That guy's metal detecting. There she is. Looks a bit cleaner, huh? I went through everything on it, even as much as I could on the inside of the mudguards. That's super low, isn't it? That one down there. I was just thinking about that when I was cleaning it. I got a lot of fuel residue. I need to clean all that up. Maybe tidy these wires up a bit. There's some residual bling from a previous restoration. Those like brake plates there, they're chromed. I don't think they were supposed to be chromed. That was a really nice ride up there. Go the long way round back. Yeah, beautiful time of the year to ride. Some of the immediate things I noticed getting back onto this bike is it's a little heavy, you know, sort of to manoeuvre. It's not as light as the Commando. It sort of feels a bit clumsier. The power is fantastic. It's really good. The brakes are terrible. But the exhilaration is really good. Handling's pretty good. It's very comfortable when you're sort of sat on it, sit up and beg position, you know, straight up. But I do like those straight bars very much. I think these are off a shadow. There's Mount Hood, what a view. What a view! I love that old place. Really cool place, isn't it? The guys have been talking about doing a longer ride, hopefully soon, maybe in a few weeks' time, perhaps back down to the Oregon coast or something further afield. On our Vincent's, that would be a very nice ride. This has been what, by the time I get home, like 45-mile ride. Haven't even started. There's the cafe where I got that great coffee. There's my workshop. I wish. Oh, that was just a fantastic ride. I hope you enjoyed this ride, guys. I'll see you again soon.